everybody, welcome back. So today I have a Dollar Tree haul. I went over to the Dollar Tree and I picked up a couple things, and I just want to share with you guys some of the things that I picked up. So I haven't done a Dollar Tree haul in a really long time on my channel, so I thought that this would be a good time to just throw one in. So I want to just show you my bags. I got 3 bags and I only stopped at one Dollar Tree, so you know this was very random, but I found some really good things at this Dollar Tree. So the first thing that I picked up, cute little pads. Look at these guys. These do not look like they came from the Dollar Tree to me. They are so cool. And the best thing is they have the little magnetic strip back here so you can put them on your refrigerator if you wanted to. And I just really love the little sayings on them. It says sparkle and shine on the silver one, and on the gold one it says sparkle every day. So I thought these were really cute, and only $1. You can't resist picking these up. So, and then my daughter picked up this little journal, and this is really sometimes she'll write, but most of the time it's just for coloring. But she picked this up and it says you can if you think you can. So that's really cute. I like the little saying. I don't think she read it, but and it's just a little notepad here. So that's that. These pens here, and they're just in the different colors. I wear these Dove hand lotions here, and I have found these earlier in the winter season and never found them again at my Dollar Tree. So I was super happy to find these again at Dollar Tree. These are the Intensive Cream Nourishing Care, and I love these guys. These will leave your hands so soft. I need to actually put some on now because I have really ashy hands. But these will leave your hands so soft and feeling so good. I love these. If you live in a dry climate, definitely try these and look for them at your Dollar Tree. Love them, love them, love them. The Ballistics Lip Medics, and I really like this. I like to use these at nighttime, and so I keep these. I keep one in my bathroom and then one in my nightstand. So I really love to have these on hand. I actually picked up 3 of these, and usually I don't have a problem finding these at whatever Dollar Tree I go to. They're usually there. So yeah, I just picked up 3 more of those. Some of this Pure Silk, and I only picked up one for $1. You know, you can't beat that. They didn't have any other types at my Dollar Tree, or I would have picked up another one. So yeah, I got that. I picked up the Army Hammer Ultra Max, and again, like I said, this is a repurchase. I can't remember which YouTuber had recommended this, but I really love this one. But so yeah, this will leave you dry. You will not sweat. If you have a problem like I do with sweating, this you will not have a problem. Now I have not tested this in summer yet, but I'm one of those people that just randomly sweats. It's kind of a embarrassing thing to mention, but I'm one of those people that will sweat, especially if you have to talk in front of people. I'm not sweating now because you guys are not here with me in this room, but if you were, it could be a possibility. So I picked this up to keep that sweating at bay, and again, this does work really good. So if you are purchasing something a little bit more expensive, definitely try this one at the Dollar Tree. Now I will say this about it, it does have kind of a men's type odor, but it is light, so if you put on your perfume or whatever, you're not going to be able to smell like a man. It says fresh, but to me it smells more like a man's fresh than a woman's fresh. So yeah, definitely give that a try though. And then the next thing I found was this Alka-Seltzer Heartburn, and I just picked this up because we're going to be going on vacation pretty soon, and I wanted to make sure I had some of these for travel. It says this is on a go bag, so I picked this up, and there are 6 chewable in here, and I just like to have things like this for me and my husband. Next, I found this Oxy Acne medication, and it just looks like this, guys. So this is supposed to be maximum action, and it kills bacteria. It says, let's see, visibly reduces redness in just 4 hours. So I'm not going through puberty right now, but I do occasionally get breakouts on my cheeks, just only like 1 pimple or something like that. So I did want to get something for those, you know, problem areas every now and then that I do wake up and find somebody just chilling right there on my face that I don't want there. I picked up this e.l.f. Aqua Beauty Molted Liquid Eyeshadow in Brushed Copper. The packaging just looks like this, and I just wanted to give this a try. I feel like you know, it's a reputable brand again, and for $1, why not? It's e.l.f. I do purchase e.l.f. from time to time, and I usually do like their products. They're really good for only $1. Actually, their prices have been going up, so to find it for $1 is really good. So this shadow just looks like this. If you're interested, I think it's a really pretty color. It's not too overpowering where you wouldn't be able to wear this, you know, on a daily basis, just, you know, doing your errands or whatever. So I picked that up. I like it. Now if you had darker skin, you might need to use a base or something, but I don't know. I like it. It's just a little, it gives you a little shimmer. If you are like my complexion, you'll probably like this. So what y'all think? And then next, you guys, I found this e.l.f. lip stain also, and it is in Nude Nectar, and it just looks like this. And I'm going to go ahead and open this one up too, because I want to see what this looks like. It kind of looks like a crayon in the packaging, but I want to see how this looks like. So, packaging, really cute. And it's got this marker type of tip to it. I guess it's like a felt tip. Okay. It is. It's like writing with a marker. So that's going to be interesting. I've never used a lip stain before. And girl, look at this. It just like wrote. So it really is like a stain. Like you writing. Girl and guys, I'm sorry. It's like you writing on yourself with a marker. So that's different. Okay, we'll see how that works. If not, you know, it's only $1. Collagen mask here, and it just looks like this. And this is by Global Beauty Care. Never tried one of these kind of masks before, so I'm interested to try one. I have seen them in other stores for $3, $4, $5, whatever the case, but I just never picked one up, you know. So I wanted to go ahead and try it, see if I like this one, and if I do, I will continue to buy these from the Dollar Tree. But there are 2 in here, as I said, and this is a collagen treatment. So yeah, anti-aging serum, soothing. I also picked up this mask here. It's just a little eye mask, and I just thought this would be cute and fun to have for facials at night or whatever. You can use this to relieve puffiness, which I don't have very much puffiness. I do have some in the morning when I wake up, but usually it goes away. But I just thought this would be a little fun thing to do. Nail clipper here, and it's in the cute color green. I really do like this color for the summer. I feel like it would be fun, and so yeah, I picked that up only for $1. And so the next I did run across this detangling brush, and I just wanted to give this a try. I did purchase one of these from Walgreens for my daughter's hair, and yeah, she's got a lot of hair, and it takes me a really long time to get through it. So I tried to purchase this one in addition to the one that I already had, to see if you know, this one is any better. This one does have longer bristles than the one that I have, and it's a little bit more flexible than the one that I picked up from Walgreens. I think that was by the Goody brand actually, and that one was $10. So, but if this one's any good, I will definitely be picking up more of these. And if you guys are interested in maybe a review on one of these, just let me know. Next, guys, I found this cute mirrored picture frame. Look at this, guys. Now, I have seen other YouTubers hauling these. I had never found one at any of the Dollar Trees that I've gone to, but this one had one lonely one just sitting there chilling on the shelf, and don't you know, I picked her up quickly. It's really tiny, as you can see. It's all the size of my hand, but I thought this was really cute just to have. And if you were able to find a bunch of these, I would grab them because these are just so cute. I think these would be cute on the table for name cards or just anything like that. This is super cute, super cute. And if you're getting married, if you could find some of these, girl, for your name cards, girl, yes. But yeah, I love these. Oxygen Clean. It's comparable to, well, it is supposed to be comparable to the OxyClean. Now, I will say this, it takes a little bit longer in my opinion for this to actually work, but it does work. So I mean, it's worth the $1 to purchase this. I have a blouse right now soaking in some of this that I had to soak actually 2 days to get the stain to start to come out, but I was out of the OxyClean and I didn't feel like going back to Costco to get some, so I picked this up, and like I said, it does work. It just takes a little bit longer than your OxyClean to lift the stain. So yeah. And then guys, I just got a little spray bottle here, just, you know, for hair or whatever. So my son got this little top here, and then my daughter got this dice, and also picked up some batteries, and I think that's it. Oh wait, did also find some of the LaCroix water in there, and I was super happy to find these. Look how big these are too. So these are sugar free, they're caffeine free, sweetener free. So yeah, if you are on a low carb diet such as myself, you will really enjoy these. These are really good. If you haven't tried them, try them. They're good, and they're usually really expensive. So I picked, well, not really expensive, but they're more expensive than $1. So yeah, so I picked up 2 of these, and this one is in the lime flavor, and then I got one in the berry flavor. So yeah, happy to find. And I don't know if I mentioned this, but I did pick up some of the extra gum, and yeah, I just like this because again, I'm doing a low carb diet, and these are only 2 grams of carbs. So yeah, these are nice when you need just something like that. So guys, that is all that I have today. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this little video. I really did enjoy making it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.